In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Hubstaff. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily and create a task in just a few moments. If you use Hubstaff to manage projects and track work, creating tasks correctly is an important step because it helps organize what needs to be done and makes it easier for team members to stay aligned. To begin, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Hubstaff task and search for it. This is a quick way to find the correct Hubstaff page if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once the results appear, click on the relevant Hubstaff link to open the platform. When the site loads, sign into your Hubstaff account. Enter your login details and make sure you're accessing the correct workspace if your account is connected to more than one organization. After signing in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully so all menus and project options are visible. Next, click on Project. This is the area where your work is grouped and where tasks are usually connected to a specific project. Selecting the right project is important because it keeps your task organized and ensures time tracking and reporting stay accurate later on. Once you're inside the project section, begin typing in the project details. This is where you'll enter the information needed for the task or the related project context, depending on how your workspace is set up. Be clear and specific when filling this in. Good details make it easier for anyone viewing the task to understand what the work involves and what the expected outcome should be. If there are naming conventions used by your team, this is a good time to follow them so everything stays consistent. After the details are entered, click on Add Task. This will create the task and place it inside the selected project. At this point, the task should now be available for tracking, assigning, or updating later, depending on your permissions and your team's workflow. That's all it takes to create a task in Hubstaff. As a quick tip, always double check that you selected the correct project before adding the task, because that can save time and prevent confusion later. Clear task names and accurate details also make collaboration much smoother. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to create tasks